5 amazing features in
Hey
Tesla.
guys, we're living in the 20th century. If you have not noticed, everything now globally is being computerized, mostly in the aspect of vehicles. The world car market is blooming with different features and technology. Now, from one manual to automatic, from fuel to electric, from manual drive to autopilot. And don't get me wrong, what do you think will happen in autopilot? All Tesla models are equipped with a driver assistance system called Autopilot. The feature enables a car to steer, accelerate, and brake automatically with lane. The function does not replace the role of a driver, but intend to make driving easier and cut down on accidents. New Tesla model has 8 camera and 12 sensors that provide a 360 view. All Tesla model features a unique touching screen that comes with arrays of features including video games, streaming service, and live traffic. The screen are also home to standard features like climate control and navigating, but look nothing like anything else on the market. This makes Tesla very easy and comfortable. Sentry mode allows you to keep a close eye on your parked vehicle from anywhere in the world. Let's say someone scratches your car. The Tesla will start recording from the outside camera and alert you that your vehicle has been hit through the Tesla app. These features eliminate the stress of everyone in defense mode. Tesla Model X and Model Y, as well as more recent version of the Model X and Model 3, are equipped with high filtration system that prevent toxic chemicals from getting to the cabin of the car. The Tesla filtration system targets anything from pollination and bacteria to pollute, the car maker has said. This is one of the most sweetest features in Tesla. 5. Air suspension. Tesla are equipped with a smart authorizing air suspension system that changes based on the GPS coordinate of your vehicle. Users also have the option to change the firmness of the suspension manually through the Tesla control panel. These features could really come in handy if you are traveling across the country and exploring. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.